So the problem I want to look at, yesterday's daily problem, is maximum bags to full capacity of rocks. It's yesterday's problem, but I'm trying to be consistent. So take the time and pause and read it right now. But the gist of it is you have these bags, and they have a capacity at which they're full, and they have a current amount of rocks in each bag. And you're given more rocks to fill the bags. How many can you fully fill up? So here we're already given one, where the capacity is 4 and rocks is 4. So we already know the output's going to be at least 1. And then for every other element here, capacity is 1 more than rocks. So we can fill 2 of them by making, this bag have 2 rocks instead of 1, or this bag have 3 rocks instead of 2, and so on. And I think this is pretty much almost just like a SQL query. It's pretty much like you kind of know what needs to be done. It's just kind of how elegantly can you parse these arrays. And I think the riddle to solve here, the thing to realize that makes this trivial, is that we're given capacity, we're given rocks. We can calculate the remaining capacity, the total amount we need to consider the bag full. And once we have that for every element, we just sort the bags, and then we fill the ones that take the least, and so on. There's never a situation where you want to fill the bag that has the largest remaining capacity. You always want to fill the ones with the smallest remaining capacity. So we can say something like capacity equals capacity at I minus rocks at I, aka the total left we need to fill it, for I in range length capacity. And then from there we can say capacity dot sort. So now we're starting with the smallest ones, and then we want to have, we'll say ands is 0, and in the end we want to return ands. Oops. For I in range length capacity, we want to say, first off, we kind of want to say fill each bag. So additional rocks minus equals capacity at I. And then ands plus equals 1. And then the other thing is when do we break? We don't want to fill everything. Additional rocks will be super negative. So we just say if additional rocks is less than capacity at I, break. So if we can't fill the next bag, just break right now. And boom.